Hi, this is Luke A with the PCT North America team, and in this video I'll show you how to view multiple windows within the View tool. Begin by clicking the Add Map button in the upper left-hand corner. This will display a second map window. Each window has the same capabilities. For example, I'll load imagery in the left window, and in the right window I will load a yield layer. Map tools are housed in the upper left-hand corner. To select a map, click the Configure Map button. Selected maps will be highlighted with a yellow box. Currently, the two maps are linked so that when one is moved, the other one is moved as well. This can be toggled on or off. You can also display crosshairs within both maps, which indicate where the cursor is located. You can add additional maps by clicking the Add Map button again. Up to 4 maps can be displayed. In this third map, I will display soil data. Here we can hover over the different soil points, view the information associated with the points, and the crosshairs within the other maps will show the exact location of the point. The bottom pane will change according to which map is selected. In this example, it will switch between imagery and soil data. To delete a map, click the Delete Map button.